So I had the idea to make a drawing video, but then my cat decided to sit right in front of me. So I can't really get up because I don't want to be mean to him. But I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna be so sad about it. So 3, 2, 1. There's the seat now. It's just empty. He's right there. We're in the drawing station. So I brought this mega pack of pens. That was super loud. And I've got this little ducky notebook. So let's draw a dog. Oh my god, this is so bad so far. Oh my god. Here we have it. A little dog. A little tiny dog. These pens are scent, I'm pretty sure, because it kind of smells like juicy pen in here. That was my little coloring session. I did that so far with this pen. Oh, that's so bad. Okay, so the dog is fully colored now. That's my blue dog that I drew, but this is the dog that I just drew. So it's done being colored, so I guess. Bye guys. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pencil, okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pencil, okay. Big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pencil, okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pencil, okay.